Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Starline i96 on this really lovely 2021 Audi RS6. How the system works: if someone was to break into his house, take this key or clone the key and jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. So if I put my foot on the brake, hit the start button, try and start it, this is what would happen. Vehicle will cut out. Okay, obviously it's bringing up an error because it's obviously blocking. But the standard procedure would be, obviously now, every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, turn on the ignition, go through a push sequence. On here we've done something very basic. So 1, 2, 3, receive a melody and start the vehicle. There you go, really clever, really straightforward. Obviously it's bringing up a drivetrain error because we made a mistake. I was just trying to obviously show you how it works. But generally, every time you jump in a vehicle, main ignition on, go through your push sequence, receive your melody, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Obviously, if you wanted to change the code, this is also really straightforward. And the way you would do that is main ignition on, go through your disarm, so 1, 2, 3, receive your melody, then hit any button on the network 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, key off, pause, key back on. So we've done that too quickly, so let's just do it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, key off, pause, and key back on, and we should get 5 bleeps. There you go. So now we're just going to change it to this. So 1, 2, 3, wait for a melody. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, wait for the melody. Code is now learned. So on this particular Audi and most of the new Audis, the actual buttons you have to hold for just over half a second to insert the code. It's just characteristics of the vehicle. So now let's just try the new code. So main ignition on, go through your code. So 1, 2, 3. Try again. So 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody. There you go, start the vehicle. So if you want to place it in valet mode now, this is the way you would do it. So really straightforward. First of all, disarm the system. 1, 2, 3. And then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, key back on, 2 bleeps. There you go, that's now in valet mode. This means that they can move it around. It won't come out of valet mode. When do you want to take it out of valet mode? It's really straightforward. Again, you've got the vehicle back. Just turn the ignition on and just disarm it. So 1, 2, 3. Receive your double bleep. Just do it again. 1, 2, 3. There you go, jumped out of valet mode. Really clever, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick video on this really lovely Audi RS6 2021 helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028906 0478, 028906 0478. Thank you, bye.